Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mary Maxine. Today I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my winter wash day routine featuring curls. I am starting off with a 7-day-old wash and go that I put into a puff. My hair is really matted, it's really tangled, and it's time for my hair to have some TLC. Sis, do you see that dry hair? Because it ain't cute, okay? So I'm just showing you guys real quickly what my hair is looking like. There's no movement to it, and the front of my hair is really dirty. So the first thing that I'm going to do is cleanse my hair. To start off this winter wash day routine, I am using the Hair Bath by Curls. This is from their Cashmere and Caviar line. As you can see, that shampoo is black, which kind of threw me off, but it's pretty cool. To get into the shampooing process, I love how much it lathers. I feel like when shampoo lathers, it cleanses my scalp better and cleanses my hair overall better. So as you can see, I am cleansing my hair in sections. I like to part my hair in 4 sections when I'm in the shower. So on camera, I am shampooing my hair in 4 sections to show you guys how it would look inside the shower. One thing I can say is that I wish this line came with a conditioner because I like to condition and then shampoo my hair, but this shampoo was not stripping, so it was fine. Yes, sis, that lather. Do you guys see that lather? That lather is everything, okay? Everything. I like when my shampoo has lather. Off camera, I went inside the shower. I took a shower and I rinsed out the shampoo, and this is what my hair is looking like. It is nice and cleansed. So now I'm going to go in with this pure apple cider vinegar and spray my scalp. Since it's so cold outside, my scalp tends to get irritated and dry. So to make sure that my hair is nice and set for this wash day, I like to spray the apple cider vinegar onto my strands and my scalp, and then make sure it is nice and massaged onto my scalp. And now I'm just sectioning my hair off into 4 sections to prepare myself for when I deep condition my hair. To deep condition my hair, I am going to be using the Curls Cashmere and Caviar hair mask. As you guys can see, it's very creamy and thick, and it's very moisturizing as well. So I'm going to go section by section and apply this mask and then twist my hair up until I finish my whole entire head.
Check it out. Sitting up in my room, can't get a thing about you. I'm just a mess with a thing for you. Round and round we go.
Now I'm taking my Cutie, which is a handheld steamer, and I'm placing it on top of my twist. I'm taking this Cutie because I want to make sure that I steam the mask into my hair, since it's a very thick mask and I have low porosity hair. So this heat is going to help melt the mask into my hair, which is going to ensure that my hair is going to be nice and moisturized. Now I'm taking 2 shower caps. So right now I'm placing my first shower cap on top of my head, and then I'm going to follow up with another shower cap because I want to make sure that the heat that I steamed onto my hair is trapped. So I'm using 2 shower caps, and I'm setting a timer for 25 minutes. So I actually kept the deep conditioner in my hair for about 40 minutes, and this is what my hair is looking like up close. It was nice and soft, so I was loving that. Now I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections to make sure that my styling process is a little bit easier. I like to work in sections, it just goes by quicker. So now I'm taking my Cutie again and I'm steaming my hair. I'm opening my cuticle because I want to make sure that when I put the products on my hair, it penetrates onto the shaft of my hair instead of sitting on top of my hair. This is essential for me when it comes to doing braid outs or twist outs because it ensures that my hair is nice and moisturized as well as stretched. Now I am going in with the hair silk from the Cashmere and Caviar collection. As you guys can see, the product has a nice consistency. It's not light, but it's not too thick, so it works really well with my low porosity hair. So right now I am ensuring that I moisturize my hair before going in with the hair gel. So this is what the hair gel looks like. It's a very light consistency, just like the hair silk. So I'm raking it onto my strand just to make sure that all of my hair is coated and that no curl is left behind. And then I'm going to go in and start to plait my hair down. So I'm going to start from the roots all the way to the ends, and I'm just going to plait my hair. This is not a braid out tutorial, so I'm not really going to talk too much about how I plait my hair. But yeah, I plait my hair all the way down to the end, and once I get to the very end and I can't braid anymore, I like to leave a nice juicy coil. I just feel like coils help for your braid outs and twist outs to come out more better, and it's more defined.
Come enjoy the light, baby, take a ride. I just wanna find you, baby, you and I.
So I'm just going to continue the whole process until I finish my whole entire head. As you can see, I'm stretching my hair and moisturizing my hair with my Cutie, and then I'm going to follow up by using my leave-in and then go in with the hair gel. So my whole process took about 40 minutes. I think it would have been shorter if I wasn't filming, but usually when I do braid outs when I'm not filming, my braid outs take about 30 minutes or so. So yeah. And here is an up-close shot of me coiling the ends of my hair. I just loved how my coils turned out at the end of my hair. It was nice and juicy. Do you guys think it was juicy? Because guys, I think that my coils at the end of my hair were nice and juicy, and it just helped with the definition of my overall braid outs. And these are what my braids look like wet, so I'm going to dry my hair overnight and then unravel tomorrow morning. This is optional, but I took a hair tie and I tied up some of my braids just to make my unraveling process a little bit smoother and just to make sure that no hair was in my way. I am taking the hair serum from the Cashmere and Caviar collection and I am placing it on the tips of my hair just to ensure that my hair does not frizz up when I unravel it, as well as to make sure that I had shine on my hair. Do y'all see this definition? Like, do you see the definition? And I haven't even unraveled my hair. My hair has such a nice spring to it, guys. So I'm going to continue unraveling my whole entire head, and then once my hair is entirely unraveled, I am going to show you guys what it looks like. And these are my final results. My hair is nice and shiny. It is nice and defined. There's no curl that is left behind. And honestly, if you guys like more volume, you can separate your hair to your liking. But because I wanted my style to last me for 7 days, I didn't unravel too much of my hair. So off camera, I went in and I picked my hair out a little bit more just to have a little shape. And I am so pleased with my entire wash day. It was simple, it was fun, and most of all, it was easy. My hair looks amazing, guys. If you guys like this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, peace and love always. Bye.